With the commencement of the Fashion Week, top designers from all over the world converged in Paris, the capital of couture. Celia Kritharioti, owner of the 126-year-old fashion house in Greece, has designed attires for Hollywood and Bollywood stars. Talking to NewsPakistanTV, Celia held.
I'm happy to be back. I present a show full of colors, as you see. And nowadays we have to celebrate life. Life is not forever, life is too short. That's why I did a lot of colors in order to enjoy ourselves and to be happy.
Couture aficionados were dazzled when models displayed Celia's creative, unique and modern designs at the celebrated Palace of Tokyo in Paris. Models displayed embroidered bright hued silk and velvet. One of her chefs d'oeuvres was white bridal dress.
I'm very happy to have been part of this show. It was really amazing. I love the energy of the show. All these colors is giving me so much positive energy, and yeah, it was a great show, and I'm happy you've seen it.
My name is Patricia Contreras. We're at backstage at Celia, and I think the show was absolutely amazing. She's flawless, her imagination has no limits. I love the designs, the way she mixed all the materials, and well, I hope to see her and wear her during Cannes Film Festival.